If you're still in the Options menu, press the Home button at the top of the screen to return to the main menu of the Futura program. The Home button at the bottom will take you to the home screen for the tablet. Review the software operating guide and the user manual to become familiar with all of the functions of the software and the machine. Here are a few tips to get you started. Search. This menu is used to select a category of series searches. The Standard Keys search is limited to edge-cut commercial and residential keys. The Vehicle Keys search is used to search for both edge-cut and laser-cut applications for automotive, truck, and motorcycle keys. The Dimple Track Keys search is limited to commercial and residential applications for dimple and laser keys. Full key searching is not restricted and will show all applications in the database. Copy by original. This function is used to quickly duplicate an exact copy of a working edge-cut key by means of the optical reader. It can only be used for edge-cut keys. See details in decoding standard edge-cut keys of this video. Favorites. Code series that you use frequently can be put into your Favorites menu to eliminate search time when you need to access that card again. To move a code series to the Favorites menu, press the star icon to the left of a code series. The star will turn black, denoting that it has been saved to the Favorites menu. To remove it from Favorites, press the star again. Queue of jobs. This menu is used to run a job queue previously created from the search menus or a job that was downloaded from Create a Key or Instacode code programs. Options. This menu is used to set up the machine and perform maintenance functions. Info. Info section displays specifications of the Futura machine and the software programs. It also shows serial number and MAC address used for remote software updates. Calibration, used when calibrating components of the machine. Settings, used for the zero-point calibration of the stepper motors, setting the options discussed earlier and choosing the network settings for communication with the machine. Maintenance, used for testing different functions for maintenance purposes. Upgrades, checks for upgrades available, requires a local network connection. Backup Restore, used to create a backup of a user database and restore the last saved file on a USB drive that can be connected via the machine's USB port.